get 'em all.
Hi, welcome to my channel Tech Hack. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can configure a SP Flash tool in a proper way so your cell phone should not be damaged. So let me start from the initialization point. First of all, what you need to have a SP Flash tool. So you can download this tool from Android MTK website. So here we go. Just open the SP Flash tool, expand it, and simply what you need to do, you need to just load the firmware from here, scatter loading, and my firmware is located inside the ISO, Android stuff, and simply Micromax, and I have Micromax Q340 version 1 firmware. Inside firmware we have a firmware folder, and it is asking for a scatter file. By default it is looking for a TXT file, and just like this Mediatek 6582 file. So simply it will load all the partition from the file. So a lot of people ask me that how we can flash a Mediatek cell phone in a proper way so our cell phone, our Android cell phone should not be damaged. So you need to just care about some partitions. All these partitions are important. So we have some important partition like preloader and boot image, and we have important partition Android, cache, and user data. So let me tell you the partition according to the problem. So if you are facing any problem related to hanging problem or password lock problem, it can be a parallel lock problem, so just only flash user data partition. So it will fix your hanging problem plus password related problem. So what you need to do, you need to just click on this user data partition and click on download button and connect your cell phone, so your problem will be finished. And next problem is very simple. If your cell phone hangs on boot loop is the situation where your cell phone hang on logo, right? So you can fix this problem by clicking on cache partition plus user data partition. So click on these two partition, your cell phone problem, boot loop problem will be fixed easily. If you are facing any problem related to monkey virus, malware, trojan, or hanging, any problem, if you're facing any problem related to monkey virus plus boot loop problem plus boot screen problem, so what you need to do, you need to just click on this Android partition plus user data partition. So your cell phone problem will be finished, fixed automatically. These two partition are very important. Or let me tell you the one important point. This Android partition, it is a main partition. If you find system partition instead of Android partition, both partition name are different but work are same, so don't worry about it. Just simply click on Android if you face any problem to monkey virus or any related problem, right? So just and another one important partition is user data partition. Three partition are very important, right? So if you flash this preloader partition, a lot of people worry about this partition. What is this partition? Let me tell you. If you flash this partition inside your cell phone, so your cell phone will be get damaged. And why? Let me tell you. If this partition is, suppose that if this partition is damaged, address is damaged or address is damaged, or this partition is not correct according to your cell phone, if you flash this partition inside your cell phone, so both partition will be damaged inside your cell phone partition and plus this partition. So this partition will corrupt other partition, preloader partition. So don't flash this partition, otherwise your cell phone will never connect as a Mediatek port in your cell phone. And don't flash this boot image partition. If you flash this partition, if this partition is not incompatible to your cell phone, so your cell phone will never wake up. If you start your cell phone will never boot. So boot image is a very important. A lot of people says that always select format all plus download, but please, this is my humble request to you, don't use this function format all plus download, it will erase all the partition from your cell phone and it will rewrite again these partition inside your cell phone. So don't use this function format all plus download, always use download only functionality. So in this download only functionality, you can select any partition according to your requirement, according to your problem. So it's a very simple. If you want to format your cell phone, so just go in our format section and simply don't click on manual format plus, only select default configuration right here and click on start. So your cell phone will be format, and after format you can rewrite another firmware inside your cell phone. And if you have formatted your cell phone, so you need to flash all the partition except to preloader partition. If you flash this partition, maybe this partition is corrupted or incompatible, so it will make damage to the preloader partition that you have inside your cell phone. So your cell phone will never connect it as a Mediatek port in your PC. So don't flash this preloader partition. Make sure don't flash this partition. This is very important. Don't flash this partition inside your Mediatek cell phone, right? So it's a very simple step. If you're flashing any firmware in Mediatek, don't flash this partition and don't flash this preloader partition plus boot image partition. Otherwise you can flash any partition you want except to preloader or boot image. So thank you.